Thank you. Okay, we have ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. Just a little bit harder than the other gas laws because you have to use certain units here. You can't use any pressure that you want or any volume that you want. You have to use ATM for pressure, liters, moles, 0.0821, and Kelvin temperature. So if we look at number 1, okay, once again, I always use instructional fair reproducibles worksheets. So we're using number 1 on the ideal gas law there. I'd like 5 different people to maybe give me the numbers. We have pressure, volume, moles, R, and temperature. So, who can give me, Matthew, what's one piece of information for the first problem?
First of all, there are 5 different variables.
Number 1, ideal gas law. Give me one of those numbers.
2 points.
Okay, 2.5 is the volume, 2.5 liters. Someone has a different one? Go ahead.
There's 1.2 pressure.
Yep, 1.2 ATM for pressure. Okay. All right, someone else, go ahead.
25 Celsius.
25 Celsius, and what do we have to do to that?
I don't know.
What do we have to add to 25?
Add 100.
Do you see a green cloud on the board, Kyle? Kyle?
Oh, you had 273.
Thank you, Kyle. Okay. Okay, the hands were up for all the easy parts of information. What do we have left? What 2 things do we have left? Go ahead.
Like the standard one.
Okay, here's our constant. 0.0821, as long as we use all of these certain labels. And guess what? There's one thing left that is going to be your unknown. So all you have to do is solve for x. Get this product, divide by these. And Michael, do you have the answer to number 1?
Yes, it's 0.12.
Okay, good. Okay, hopefully you guys are doing these along with me here. We're doing number 2 and 7 next. Okay. All right, again, you always have that 0.0821. All right. Cooper, give me a piece of information for number 2, please. Look at your worksheet. Okay.
It would be.
It's okay, take a second.
There's 2 moles.
Okay, good. We have 2 moles. Chris Webster, how about another one?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. What's the temperature for number 2?
2 Celsius. Get a shot. 5.
No. What's the temperature for number 2, not number 1? Jack?
20.
20 degrees Celsius, good. Plus 273 gives us 293 Kelvin. Okay. Now we need the pressure and the volume. Who's got the pressure or the volume? Yes.
722.
Okay, good. The pressure is 720 torr, except we're not supposed to have that in torr. Jack, what are we supposed to be using for pressure? What unit label? Do you know?
ATM.
Good. ATM. How do we convert this to ATM? What do we divide by? I don't know if anybody remembers from the other day. Standard pressure. 760. Because 1 ATM equals 760 torr. So that's going to give us 0.95. You guys are doing a good job. You'll notice there's one thing left. That's going to be our x. Did anybody get the answer to number 2 yet? Go ahead.
51 liters.
Very good. 51 liters.
I got 668.
Did you, convert your pressure?
No.
Okay, there's your little mistake.
So we have to divide by.
760.
Okay.
Okay, one more problem. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, so what's the first number we're gonna fill in?
347.
Okay, here's the thing, we have 347 milliliters. What are we supposed to use for volume?
Liters.
Liters. So we have to divide by 1,000 or shift the decimal 3 places. 0.347 liters.
Yes.
What else do we have?
6,684, which we convert to,
Oh, very good.
what do you call it, ATM.
Mm-hmm. That is 8.79 when we divide it out. So here's our pressure. ATM, liters. Chris, what else do we have in number 7? What number didn't we use yet?
273.
We have to add 273 to what temperature? Good. Are you looking at number 7?
Yeah.
What's the temperature in number 7? Very good. Okay, Chris has redeemed himself. We have 27 plus 273, so that is 300K. Who can tell me what other things we're missing here? Yeah.
Number of moles.
Number of moles is, it says how many moles of gas are there. So that's X, and then this is 0.0821. I don't know if anyone got the answer to this one yet. Let me just check. All right. What you guys should get is 0.12 moles, so I'm going to make sure that you guys are doing okay with this right now. Any questions? Okay, thanks.